Howdy everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we're gonna cook corn on the barbecue and I'm gonna show you guys how I deck it up. Mayonnaise, I like cayenne pepper, C-Smash likes paprika on it, and then I'll chop up this grated cheese right here to make them small little teeny pieces. And we'll deck it up that way. But first we're gonna put it on the grill, yes, with these on. What this is gonna do is gonna kind of steam them first and get them all cooked, and then I'm gonna peel it off, and then I'm gonna put it on the back on the grill again to get the grill marks and the grill flavor. You guys ready to go outside and cook on the grill with me? All right, here we go. I'm turning all these on for now. Just take a little bit of that off. A little bit of that off. I'm just gonna put them here. Close it, and we'll check on it in a few minutes. See you in a few minutes. All right, so now I'm gonna take the Parmesan cheese and I'm gonna cut it up in small pieces so it's on the corn better. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're just taking it and just kind of, nothing special, just gonna chop it. Make a mess while you're at it, folks. Have a good time and enjoy what you're doing. All right. About like that. See it? Perfect. All right, now we wait for the corn to get done so we can deck it all up, and I'll show you that. And I'll show you that when we get back. All right, you guys. They're steamed enough now, I believe, that they're done. Can you see that? All right. Time to try to take off the husks. And then we're gonna just leave the grill marks on. Okay. I don't want them to get blown away. You know what? I think we're gonna take them inside and do it inside. Let's go inside and clean these up and get them back out on the grill. Okay, let's see if I can do this without burning my hands off. All right, let's go back outside. Get those grill marks on in. You guys ready for some yummy goodness? All right. See you again. See you again in a few minutes. Hopefully they'll be done. Alright, you guys. You ready? Let's show you how I deck this up. And I almost forgot, I'm going to add a little bit of lime on them first to kind of give them I don't know, a little sour flavor. Whatever you want to do with lime. Anyway, I'm just gonna take my brush and just kind of put a little bit of lime on there. Okay. Sorry about that. Friend is contacting me. Okay. Let's get some. Oh. Just get a little bit at a time, and I like to spread it around with my little brush. Okay, now sea smash.
Yes.
Likes paprika. So we will sprinkle paprika on. Come on out, paprika. Do, 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 do. Final touch. Cheese. Kind of pat it a little bit so it'll stay on. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Alright. That's it, folks. What do you think? Hopefully it looks yummy. A little bit. Alright, you guys, let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. Ready? Where do I start? It all looks so yummy to me. Mmm. That's delicious. Mmm. Yep, I like it. Want some more? Excellent. I'm gonna finish this in a few minutes, but just wanted you guys to know, that's a little spicy. But I really like it with the mayonnaise, the lime juice. I like the cayenne pepper. And the Parmesan? Good deal. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Maybe you can give it a try. And let me know in the comments below if you liked it, give it a try or whatever. I do want to ask one favor though. Could you guys please follow me on Instagram? Yep, Instagram at casualgirl987. I'd appreciate if you guys can give me a little follow there. I'll put the link down below and you'll see it pop up on the screen somewhere. But anyway, you guys can also like and share this video. Please subscribe so I can keep doing more of these because I'm really having a blast doing this. Alright you guys, well, thank you for watching and I really hope that you enjoy my video and I will see you next time. Bye!